Alright, here we go. Blizzard of 2013. Let's see how good or how bad it is. I gotta make my way to the barn to get the snowblower. The snow is up to my knees. I am 6'2" and I am working just to get past my wife's car. That's my Volkswagen down there, if you can see it. My truck. The roof has very little snow on it. It's not bad out. It's over my knees. Yeah, we've got some snow. Cars are on the road, roads are plowed. Looks like I got a big bank to work through. There's my path down here. Unbelievable. That's my truck. The wife's car. Snowmobile trailer and my little VW. Unbelievable. Still windy, but not bad. Here we are.